Why do you sometimes anticipate certain words or letters? Why does this happen, and how can you stop it? I've heard this so many times. Well, how do I say this letter or this letter? How do I say C words? How do I say vowel sounds? How do I say my name? Right? Every time I get ready to say my name, I have a problem. How do you stop anticipating words or letters? And why does this happen? What I'm going to do in this audio is I'm going to share with you why you do it and how to stop it. It's that simple, okay? Because you know that when you start to anticipate, it actually causes you to start feeling more anxious, and it causes you to get stuck on the very words that you're anticipating. Had you not anticipated them, there probably would have been a very good chance that you might not have even gotten stuck at all because you weren't thinking about it. Are there ever times where you say those words or letters and you don't get stuck? And you'd probably have to answer yes. Of course, there are times where I say C words or A words or K words, whatever, and I don't get stuck. But what happens is as you start to anticipate, you start getting stuck more and more and more. So we're going to talk about why that happens and then how to stop it. So in order to access this information, it's an audio, and it's in its own application. So you're going to go ahead and click the links in or around this video. You download the free app, and then you'll see the audio session there. Okay? This is Michael Williams. Look forward to seeing you inside that session.